Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start.
हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो. Always be punctual. Always be punctual. आप इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. आप उसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. आप कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What are you doing? आप बेवजह यहाँ बैठे हैं. You are unnecessarily sitting here. You are unnecessarily sitting here. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. इस मामले पर मेरी कोई राय नहीं है. I have no opinion on this matter. I have no opinion on this matter. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. कमरे में कोई नहीं है. There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. कार में बैठो. Get in the car. Get in the car. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. How lazy boy you are. How lazy a boy you are. कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please come in. Please come in. घुमा फिराकर बातें मत करो. Don't talk in roundabout way. Don't talk in roundabout way. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं. Summers are about to come. Summers are about to start. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. जबान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. ठीक से करो. Do properly. Do properly. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this only. You deserve this only. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? तुम कितने बजे उठते हो? At what time do you get up? At what time do you get up? जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. जैसे मुझे बड़ी परवाह है. As if I care. As if I care. जाकर वहीं खड़े हो जाओ. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. तुम बहुत किस्मत वाले हो. You are very lucky. You are very lucky. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. आगे से ध्यान रखना. Take care in future. Take care in future. तुम्हारा भाई यहाँ है. Your brother is here. Your brother is here. मुझे कल याद दिलाना. Reminder me tomorrow. Reminder me tomorrow. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. आप कैसे हो? How are you? हाउ आर यू? यहाँ कौन आया था? हु हैड कम हियर? हु हैड कम हियर? मुझे और समय चाहिए। आई नीड मोर टाइम। आई नीड मोर टाइम। मैंने शीशा तोड़ दिया है। आई हैड ब्रोकन द ग्लास। आई हैड ब्रोकन द ग्लास। फिल्म कब शुरू होगी? When will the movie start? When will the movie start? वो 2024 से यहाँ रह रहा है। He has been living here since 2004. He has been living here since 2004. मैंने कहा, I said. I said. मुझे आपसे बात करना पसंद है। I love talking to you. I love talking to you. मुझे कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है। I like to read stories. I like to read stories. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मैं इसके लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ। I am not responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. मुझे लेटने की ज़रूरत है। I need to lie down. I need to lie down. जैसी आपकी मर्ज़ी। As you wish. As you wish. वह आपसे मिलने आएगा। He will visit you. He will visit you. जितनी जल्दी हो सके। As soon as possible. As soon as possible. आप कितने भाई बहन हो? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? तुम बाहर मत जाना। You don't go out. You don't go out. उसने अपनी कार बेच दी है। He has sold his car. He has sold his car. हम उससे रोज मिलते हैं। We meet him every day. We meet him every day. वह ठीक नहीं है। He is not well. He is not well. वह पहुंचने वाला है। He is about to reach. He is about to reach. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. आप इस कार्य के लिए योग्य नहीं हैं। You are not fit for this job. You are not fit for this job. उस उपकार के लिए मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। I am very grateful to you for this favor. I am very grateful to you for this favor. वह मेरे आदेश को मान लेगा। He will accept my order. He will accept my order. कृपया उसकी बात सुने। Please listen to him. Please listen to him. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं जाने ही वाला था। I was about to leave. I was about to leave. ये उसकी गलती है। It is his mistake. It is his mistake. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता। I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. उसका इरादा क्या है? What is his intention? What is his intention? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं सच बोलता हूँ। I speak the truth. I speak the truth. वो घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. मुझे और बताओ। Tell me more. Tell me more. हम बहुत बातें करते हैं। We talk a lot. We talk a lot. मैं इस खबर से बहुत खुश हूँ। I am very glad about this news. I am very glad about this news. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have food? Did you have food? मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा। आई विल कम फॉर श्योर। आई विल कम फॉर श्योर। मुझसे पंगा मत लो। डोंट मेस विथ मी। डोंट मेस विथ मी। मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता। आई डोंट नो एट ऑल। आई डोंट नो एट ऑल। कहना आसान है। इट इज़ ईजी टू से। इट इज़ ईजी टू से। वह मुझसे परिचित नहीं है। शी इज़ नॉट फेमिलियर विथ मी।